I'm Amanda Wismer. I'm the director of the PTA program at MID. I teach a variety of PTA courses during the students' 2 years in our program. I like teaching in the PTA program because I see students develop and then grow the application into clinical practice. I also love seeing students grow in their clinical skills and then work with them later in their clinical practice. I still work in the clinical setting, so when I get to work with a past graduate, that is an exciting experience for me. I have watched them develop their skills, grow their skills, and then adapt in the clinical setting. It is such an awesome experience to see them make life-changing experiences for their patient. I also love about this profession that healthcare is constantly evolving and we are always learning to do new things and adapting with the climate. We see patients after a variety of surgeries, accidents, and different injuries. Our goal is always to return them to their prior level of function. Teaching students how to participate in this is life-changing for those patients, and seeing their eyes light up and have that come to a real-life scenario is such an amazing experience. Students are going to get hands-on training here at MID in the PTA program. They're going to get instruction from faculty members with years of experience in a variety of clinical settings, with many of those faculty members still working and bringing that clinical practice back into the classroom to enhance our teaching. Students will get a career path here at MID where they can grow, enhance, and change their patients' lives. I'm excited for you to come here to MID and see you in class. Go Lakers!